G'day guys, it's Pete from Perfectly Reasonable Necessities. Today we're going to be reviewing some Isotunes products that were sent to me via Isotunes through a website called earjobs.com.au, and they have earplugs from protecting your ears against workplace noises to motorbike riding, moldable earplugs, and they also have earplugs for sleeping. And I was lucky enough to have Isotunes work with Earjobs to send me a couple of articles to review today. First pair is the Isotunes Pro, and they're OSHA compliant for our American friends. And on the side of the box there you've got what it can do, so traffic noises, all that sort of stuff. The noise rating is 27 decibels. They're Bluetooth and wireless, and they can also take calls and play music as well. I've recently used these ones in the build and they're fantastic. They really minimise the sound from the high-pitched noise of your cross-cutting saws or your router and sanders as well, and they're comfortable. So the earbuds are replaceable as well. So let's open this box and we will see how it goes. They come in a magnetic box, so that one there, and on the inside of the box that's what it looks like there, and there's the back of the box. Now with the earbuds, they do come charged, and they come like that. So basically you take them out, they come in a little case. When you open the case, so there's the case there, if we look at it, in the case there's some replaceable earbuds there, and charging cord. And on the inside it's got a little carrier case. That's where your earbuds sit in there. So unwrapping them from the packet's relatively easy. It's got really cool foam in here. Now, so just to give you a look at that, there, wait a little bit, there we go. So to pair them to your phone, you just basically make sure your Bluetooth is on, hold down the center button until it indicates with the blue and red flashing lights that it's ready to pair. There we go, we're ready to pair the phone. We'll pick them up, open up your Bluetooth settings, and it comes up as Isotune Pro on your phone. So, because then that way nice and easy, you just click it, it says connecting, there's a voiceover that tells you that it's actually connected as well. And to put them in, there's a left and a right ear printed on the inside. So I don't know if you can see that there, just there's an L. So you can actually put them on. So there's really cool clips where you can lengthen them. So no more winding clips. Take them off, and then you can either put them on your ears. That's the right one, that's the left one. like so. And you just wrap them over your ear like that. See? And then this one, you can do that as well. And over the ear, nice and easy. Push them in. They're comfy as. Really good. And then, because you're now wirelessly connected, sorry, you can actually just start up any music. And I'll start one up on my phone. So, and I actually was reading listening to a review from the Wood Whisperer about these, and he reckons that he tests all of his earphones on a song called Pantera Walk. Well, a song from Pantera called Walk. And I tell you what, guys, the sound in these things, crystal clear. So, really, really good. And you can listen to them while you're listening. While you're doing your work. So, which is really good. There's obviously your instruction card there as well. It has all the details as to how it, what the lights mean, all that sort of good stuff as well. And of course comes in a very cool box. So that's those ones. And again, guys, they're really easy to take out, put in. They're replaceable. They've got color-coded earbuds. So there's green ones there. There's blue ones. A couple of little features about them, other than obviously being wireless and Bluetooth. They've got a 10-hour battery life on the Pro ones. And they're also splash resistant. So, which means if it sprinkles with rain, like a mist, you're good to go. They're also good against sweat, so they don't react with sweat, so you can use them while you're working, obviously, because you're sweating more. Memory foam on the earbud as body heat activated, so as it gets hotter, it actually physically molds to your ear, which is really cool. So the colours mean the sizes, so small, medium and large. So I think I have the large ones in because I have big ear canals. So right, so that's those ones. Second set is the Isotunes Xtra. So these guys here also block out 27 decibels. Pretty much, again, on the side of the box as well. Compliance rates as well. So in this box, we'll open it up. I think this one here's just got a tab, pencil. There we go. It's just the hangy thing for the tab. And this one here comes with an info card. It says stop, do not throw away. Comes with a bag. And in the bag there is the user manuals on how to insert them. And there we go there. Again, comes with replaceable earbuds, but these ones actually come with a whole bunch of earbuds. So comes with more than the Isotune Pro, So it comes with your standard rubber tips, and it's got the memory foam ones as well, in small, medium and large again. Again, these guys can take calls and they're Bluetooth as well. These ones don't have the memory foam in them, so these ones will probably be a lot better for your working out and stuff like that. So it's got a charging point there, and here's and these ones are rubber backed, so they're actually quite cool. Now, again, 27 decibels, so same as the Pro series. The battery life's a little bit different on this one. It's 8 hours. So, and this mic here includes noise cancellation for the mic, and again, obviously they're wireless and Bluetooth. Again, on the memory foam earbuds, it's body heat activated, so they'll mold to your ear canal and all that sort of good stuff. They're water and dust resistant, and you've got obviously the core controller, which is that there. This one here, turning it on, will be the same as the other set. So there's your battery in there. They really tried to, with each one of them, they've actually tried to really keep this one here. The battery's inside the control mechanism for the Pro. This one here seems to have a separate battery, where the controller mechanism's different. So these ones here, there's sounds to let you know that you've turned it on, and a voiceover as well. So again, you're just going to make sure that your device that you're connecting to is discoverable. So we'll go into the Bluetooth settings and turn off the other ones. Okay. Headphones disconnected. And then this one here on your phone, it comes up with it down the bottom there with Isotunes Xtra. You click it, it pairs it, and gives you a voiceover to let you know that it's connected. Alright, and then these ones are also magnetic, guys, too. See? That's a really cool feature. So, pretty much, that is really cool. The fact that they're magnetic, you can hang them up. It's quite awesome. So these ones here, obviously, they've got left and right indication right down near the base of the bud. You can't see it there, but that's where it is. So that's the right hand side, that's the left hand side. We've got that there, plug that in there. This is your core feature and volume. So obviously, top button, and they're actually quite easy to feel. So top button is volume up, bottom button is volume down, and then the center button's answering and hanging up. So you can actually push them in, nice and easy. See, that's how they sit there, like that. Perfect. Go. And again, guys, I've tested this just with running the saw and running the lawnmower, and they're great. They just make the sounds a lot more bearable. The sound's great. So, which is good. So, like I said, earjobs.com.au for the website to pick yourself up a pair. Take a look there. There'll be a link in the description down below. And again, guys, in the bottom, just put a comment if you'd like as to, do you like earbuds or earmuffs, wired or wireless, and let us know why. Should we review earphones as well? Would you like to see one like that? If you do, put it down in the comments. Again, guys, thanks again for listening to this one. Like, share and subscribe to the videos, and we'll see you again on the next one.